Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT Runner 2 and today I'm going to show you how to customize the card menu on this watch. So let's get started. First, let me show you what I mean by card menu. Basically, when you wake up the screen on your watch and you see the watch face, the home screen, you can swipe left on the screen and here we have the card menu. And here you have some features or widgets or anything like this. Basically, some shortcuts to some apps and features of your watch. And you can customize this page. To do it, you can press and hold on one of the cards. It will open this edit menu and here you can do a few things. We can remove the card, we can add the card, and we can rearrange the cards on the menu. We can move the positions of them. To remove the card, you select the card you want to remove and then tap on the bin icon, tap on remove, and the card will be gone. To add the card, you can tap on the plus button. And here we have extensive list of cards we can add. And you have quite few of them, which is nice. You can basically customize the watch to your liking. So find the card you want to use. Let's say barometer, and then tap on add under the card, and it will be added to the menu right here. And to rearrange the apps, so let's say you want the card you added to be at the front of the menu, you can press and hold on the current card like this, grab it, and then scroll like this, and then release it, and the card will be moved. You can also place it wherever you want. I'm just moving it to the front, which is gonna be the most visible one or easiest to access. And now when I open the card menu, the card I added is going to be at the front. One thing to mention though, there's a limit of the cards. You can't add more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So more than 6, you can't add more than 6. So to add different ones, you will need to remove some basically to make a space, and then you can add the ones you like. Okay. And that's how you customize the card menu on this watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.